Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are good. So let's start the class. In the last video, I have shown you how to write the letter in the mail merge and how to create the list. And today I'm going to show you how to do the mail merge. So as you can see, I have written one letter. Like the principal of the school has written one letter and the principal wants to send a message to all the parents of class 5 for a award ceremony. So this is the letter. Now I'm going to show you how to do the mail merge. So as you can see, after click on mailing option, then you have to click on the start mail merge option and step by step mail merge wizard. So this after this, the right hand side, this window will appear in front of you. It's called mail merge. Okay. So as you can see, there are 6 steps are there. The total 6 steps are there. Step 1 to step 6. So we'll do one by one. In the last day, we have selected letters. So we'll move to the next. So this is how use the current document. So I want to use the current document that I have written. But if you want, if you have any existing document, that also you can select. You can select in template as well. Now I'll jump to step 3. The step 3 means the list. Okay, the list in which the name of the parents will be written, the address of the parents will be written, the list. Okay, so in last day you have seen that I have created one list. So you can create an existing list. So I'll click on the existing list. Okay, and if you have like multiple list and if you want to choose any one of the list, then you have to select a different list. If you click on the select a different list, you can see as in my laptop I have 3 lists: parent list, p list and sush. Okay, so these 3 lists are there, out of which I'll select this one, parent list. Okay, as you can see here, the name of the 4 parents I have written with the details, with the the address and all that. And after that I need to click on OK. Okay, so the list is merged with the mail merge right now. After that I'll click on the next step, which is step 4. Next, write your letter. Okay, so now as you can see, write your letter, there are some options. Now what are the options? Say after 2, if I click on address block, the address of the parent with the name of the parent will appear. Let's click on the address block. Like first you have to select your mouse where you want the address block. Say after 2, in the second option, in the second row, I want the address block. So your cursor should blink over here. Okay, and I'll click on the address block. Let's see what happened. In the address block, the name of the parent and the address of the parent will be written. Okay, it will show. And after that, I have to click on OK. Alright. Then, now I need to select the greeting line. Again, I need to click on the greeting line here. In the drop down list, you can select to or dear, but I want to select dear, the name of the parent. Then again, I have to click on OK. Okay, and after that, congratulations and the letter. Okay, now I'll move to the next step. Okay, here you can see recipient 1 to 4, it will be written like this. As you can see, like in the step 5, you can see the name of the parent and the address of the parent, which is recipient 1. The recipient 1 is Mr. Kunal Arora, Kalyani Town. Then dear Mr. Arora. So this is the address line that I have done, and this is the greeting line, dear Mr. Arora. Okay, it will come like this. You can move it like this. After that, I'll click on complete the merge. Let's click. Once you click on complete the merge, there will be 2 options, print and edit individual letters. So I'll click on edit individual letters, and here you need to select that all option is checked or not. It's already checked. Then I'll click on OK. So after that, you can see in the left hand side there was a window, but that is not appearing right now. And the first, the name of the parent is showing, and If I'll scroll down, then you can see the second parent, the name of the second parent, and with the same letter, but the address line and greeting line will change. This is the second one. Now I'll move down. This is the third one, Aditya Roy, and the last one is the fourth one. So in this mail merge, I have inserted the values for four field, like the four parents, but instead of four you can insert 10, 20, 30, any number you like. Okay, any number you need. So this is how it will work. A mail merge will work. Definitely you should try at your home and reply me back. Okay, so that's all for the day, and thank you for watching the video. If you have understood or not, please comment in the comment section. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.